Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then it will downloads done. After the download done, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select the extract to option. After the extract done, open it and right click on the pack file and just copy it and then open up your game location. After you are in the game location, you just need to open the midnight folder and content folder, packs folder, paste the pack file we copied, and then just close stuff here. And now you can open the game and enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.